Welcome to our signal and system project of license plate recognition model. I am Chaitanya, he is Akshat and he is Anuj. We are from SPIT. Let us begin.
License plate recognition is crucial in modern transportation systems. Traditional methods require manual intervention, but our system automates this using computer vision and signal processing principles taught in our course. The challenge: extract meaningful information from complex visual data. Exactly what signals and systems prepares us for.
Down the signal processing concept we apply. Now every image is essentially a 2D discrete signal where pixel intensity represents amplitude. We use Gaussian filters for noise reduction. This is essentially low-pass filtering in spatial domain. Sobel operators compute gradients, which are first derivative filters that highlights high-frequency components. While we work in spatial domains, the principles of high-pass and low-pass filtering directly relates to frequency domain analysis.
Our system follows a structured pipeline in 3 steps. Step number 1, image pre-processing. First, we convert it to the grayscale and apply noise reduction filters. We then enhance contrast using histogram equalization. Step 2, license plate detection. The edge detection, we use CLAHE algorithms. Then contour analysis to find a rectangular region. Finally, geometric validation using the aspect ratio. Now step number 3, the character recognition. We extract from the plate region and we give it multiple processing techniques for OCR. Thank you.
Of our model.
1, 2, 3, start.
Let me tell you about the performance analysis of our model. Our system achieves impressive results: 85% plus more accuracy on clear images, robust detection across various conditions, real-time processing capability. The key success factors are our multi-stage validation and multiple fallback strategies for each processing step.
Start.
This project demonstrated how theoretical signal processing concepts translate into practical applications. We learned how to treat images as 2D signals, the importance of filtering in computer vision, system design and pipeline architecture, real-world problem solving. The license plate identifier shows the power of signal processing in modern computer vision applications.
In this segment, we'll walk you through the core code that makes a license plate identifier work. Let's take this car image as our example. As you can see, this is a Mercedes with a number plate, and let's see the code. So we have run this code on Google Colab Research, and this is a very good interface to run Python programs effortlessly. So first of all, we have installed the necessary library. So after we have installed the necessary libraries, I'll just walk you through the code. This is where our main code begins. We have imported the necessary libraries and data sets. Again, there are various segments to the code. As you can see, we have also put in the comments, which we'll be explaining in the video ahead. Alright, so we'll first look at the first segment. So first, our pre-processing pipeline converts the color image to grayscale, reducing 3 color channels to 1 intensity channel. Then we apply noise reduction filters and contrast enhancement to prepare for detection. And that code is this code. There are some inbuilt functions related to digital signal processing which help us to do this step. Next step is edge detection. So here, the edge detection finds all boundaries in the image. So first, what I'll do is I'll just run the code. Yeah. This is the next step. So, this is the first step where we have enhanced the image, and this is the edge detection step where it has converted into somewhat border-like image where it identifies the border, and there it identifies the square. which is our license plate. And the code which helps us to do that is here: edge detection, finding contours, filter by area. So these are some this is done with respect to generalized license plates, and using comparing with other trained images, it is identify the license plate area. Okay, the next part is the character recognition code, or identify the numbers and the text. So let me show you that code. Yes, so this is the main text identification code where we are using computer vision. So for each detected plate region, we apply multiple preprocessing techniques and use Tesseract OCR. Now Tesseract is an inbuilt function in Python, or an inbuilt library in Python, which helps us to identify the text in the image and convert it into a string. And this is the result of that step, where it has identified that area. It has tried to identify if there is any text in that area, and based on that we get this result. Now let's look at those multiple preprocessing techniques. So first technique is global threshold. The second technique is adaptive threshold, and the third technique is morphological cleaning. Here we have looked for the different conditions, like presence of any special characters, letters, numbers, how relevant is it to the license plate. We have checked for all those conditions, and based on that we identify the image. Now the obtained image is very blurred and very scattered, I would say. To create it into its, to bring it back into its original form, we use this function and get the good image of the license plate. Next, we validate the code, the output. So we display the image in using some basic UI, like highlighting the number plate in a green box so that it highlights the output. We plot the different images obtained in different steps, and that really helps us to debug if there is any issue in the code, or if we do not get the desired output. And this code is for uploading the image from one's desktop or computer, or we also have an option of using a test image. So I will again run the code. Here it is: license plate identifier, signals and systems project, developed by Akshat Deshmukh, Anush Gugarkar and Chaitanya Sawan. Checking and installing required packages, initializing license plate identifier system. It is asking us to choose an option. First, upload your own car image or use a test image. So let's try our own car image. The uploading is done. It is doing the processing work. And there you go. We get a successfully identified license plate. TL okay. Thank you.
So this was our project. Hope you liked it. Do like, share, subscribe. Special thanks to Bhagat sir and Narendra sir.
अबे हमारा वीडियो तू क्यों बना रहा है?
अबे तू लेट आलास.